So picked. Picked. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Pickled. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, a bit faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Not bad. Don't forget this sound here. Yosan has usan. Yosan usan. Yo, soy. If it's a vowel, it is always voiced. Because if you try to say a vowel without voice, like usan the right? If you don't use your voice, then you don't hear the sound. So, if it's a vowel, it's always voiced. Peppers. Peppers. Okay? So one more time. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay. Want to go back to the woodchuck? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, you're actually getting worse now. All right, try again. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Okay, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. All right, so when it comes to sounds, the pronunciation, like I said, this is it. There really is nothing else that you need to worry about. But if you still have trouble with your Chinese sounds, like s and sh, then that's something you need to practice, okay? Now, we could do a couple more of these, or if somebody has some other questions, we could try talking about something else. It's been a while since I've seen most of you, so you might have questions for me. If it doesn't have to be grammar or English, is there anything else you'd like to ask about today? Nothing else? You had a question. Yeah, you did. All right. So, all right, if you don't have any other questions, you want to do another one or two of these? Yes? No? No? All right, so what do you want to do? I mean, it just set up the camera, so we need to do another 20 minutes, so. So what do you guys want to do? You have an idea? I still can't remember that whole one. We can try that one, though. All right. I don't remember the whole thing, so I'll just make the short version of it. No, it's a but, yeah. Okay, try that. A butt. It's like a tub. It's a certain quantity. Yeah. Yeah, I know it looks weird, but it's a butt. It's like a cask, a barrel shaped, but I forget now if it has a lid on top or not. That's one of the other problems with English words. We have too many words, and sometimes we have so many different words for the same thing that we have to describe how they're different. So, okay, Betty bought a butt of bitter butter.
Betty bought a butter.
Okay, that was easy, right? Try a bit faster. Betty bought a bit of bitter butter. That's right, Betty bought a butt of bitter butter. Okay. Can you think of any others that we can do? Now I can't think of any others. how about there's one short song that we can try? Did we do the insignificant foolishness last time I saw you guys? The little ditty? Did we do it? No? Okay. I think you guys will like it then. Now, you can use the sounds that we were just talking about to work on this song. Gesundheit. Let's start with this. So, give it a try. So the first thing you need to do with a long word is find the syllable stress. We have a bit of a stress here, but insignificant. Stress goes here. Okay? So, significant is one of those words where the stress has shifted, because the original word here is sign. Right? A sign, you know what a sign is, like a stop sign, right? Or you can sign your name, right? A sign is something that has meaning, right? 它的意思是有意思, okay? So, signify means to have a meaning. So, for example, what symbols do we have here? Yours actually says Nike, and that says Roots. Does anybody have a shirt that has a symbol on it? No? Okay, well, we'll just, yeah. So, this signifies Canada, all right? Now, we have other words we can say. There's a symbol, but we can use the word sign as well. It signifies Canada, okay? So, there are other signs that we can use, sure, all right? So, syllable stress again. Sign, signify, but when we make this into an adjective, we can't keep the stress in the same place. It would be impossible to say. Significant. That's too hard to say. So here